Walther Flemming was a German biologist and a founder of cytogenetics. He was born in Sachsenberg as the fifth child and only son of the psychiatrist Carl Friedrich Flemming and his second wife, Auguste Winter. He graduated from the Gymnasium der Residenzstadt, where one of his colleagues and lifelong friends was writer Heinrich Seidel. Career: Flemming trained in medicine at University of Rostock, graduating in 1868. Afterwards, he served in 1870–71 as a military physician in the Franco-Prussian War. From 1873 to 1876 he worked as a teacher at the University of Prague. In 1876 he accepted a post as a professor of anatomy at the University of Kiel. He became the director of the Anatomical Institute and stayed there until his death. With the use of aniline dyes he was able to find a structure which strongly absorbed basophilic dyes, which he named chromatin. He identified that chromatin was correlated to thread-like structures in the cell nucleus, the chromosomes, which were named thus later by German anatomist Wilhelm von Walder-Hartz. The Belgian scientist Edouard van Beneden had also observed them independently. Flemming investigated the process of cell division and the distribution of chromosomes to the daughter nuclei, a process he called mitosis from the Greek word for thread. However, he did not see the splitting into identical halves, the daughter chromatids. He studied mitosis both in vivo and in stained preparations, using as the source of biological material the fins and gills of salamanders. These results were published first in 1878 and in 1882 in the seminal book Zellsubstanz, Kernanzahl der Lung. On the basis of his discoveries, Flemming surmised for the first time that all cell nuclei came from another predecessor nucleus. Flemming is famously known for the work outside of his work that he did. He weekly fed those who were homeless, donating every year 20% of his salary to homeless shelters. He taught especially young children who were too poor to attend school about mathematics and science. Flemming was unaware of the work of Gregor Mendel on heredity, so he did not make the connection between his observations and genetic inheritance. 2 decades would pass before the significance of Flemming's work was truly realized with the rediscovery of Mendel's rules. The Science Channel named Flemming's discovery of mitosis and chromosomes as one of the 100 most important scientific discoveries of all time, and one of the 10 most important discoveries in cell biology. Flemming's name is honored by a medal awarded by the German Society for Cell Biology.